Hi everybody, exciting news. Through constant support from all the investors, now we offer 3 million tokens to all free ssv.asia users. You can go ahead, visit the website and create your free account. After doing that, just come to either your macOS machine or Windows and open up the command prompt. You can do Windows R, type CMD to install it. After that, uh, do make sure Node is installed, and then you can type this particular command. It is npm space I space dash g space expert AI. And when you click enter, it will start downloading the expert AI terminal software. This is a freemium CLI for which passes start at 60 INR only. And you get 10 messages free every day of the CLI and 10 messages free every day of the MCP as well. So this is a great deal for any kind of students who are into research, who want to study and learn more. And here you can see, as I was talking, the packages have been installed. Now if I click on X enter, it should open the research terminal for me. Here I will quickly log in. So I will enter the account that I have made on the website. So here I am using fellow at ssv.asia. I'll enter the account ID, press enter, and it should open the browser. Now this is just a connect URL. So with this URL, you'll get redirected back to the CLI. And just like that, you can see that I have opened up my browse CLI, and over here my engineer monthly plan is already active, and I have about 500 million tokens of the free model and 60 million tokens of the pro model. I can just click on one, then enter for research. And here you can see our chatbot is live. It's not really a chatbot, it is also a research harness. So because this is installed locally, that doesn't mean that you just ask it questions. Let me show you what I mean. Here you can see for testing, I've just sent hi, and then the model is responding with the thought and the response as well. Now very quickly what I'll do, I'll go ahead in my Obsidian vault and I'll copy the path of a news. So here you can see I have this MD file. So this is a news file that I have created. This is a dummy file and I've posted the file path, and I'll ask it to summarize. Now, this is what is better about these kinds of research harnesses, that they are actually able to research or at least see what is in your machine. And here you can see very quickly it found the file and it read the file. And similarly, you can see not much of thought directly. It gave me the summary of what is the file about. You can see the part 1 contains the current news headlines and the part 2 contains 10 viral reel scripts, which most probably I'll be recording. So this was a short overview. If I do /new, I'll be able to enter a new session. And just like that, I am able to uh, get a coding agent harness at zero cost and very minimal cost when compared to other leading AI companies. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please go ahead, visit ssv.asia, and I would love for you to go ahead and download and start using this tool for any kind of research that you're already doing. Thank you so much for joining.